Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect Clash Royale to Google Play step by step. So this will make sure that your progress is saved and you can recover your account on any of the devices. So first of all, you need to launch your Clash Royale game on your Android phone. Over here on the home screen, you just have to tap on the settings or the gear icon that will be in the top right hand corner of the screen. So once you do this, once you are inside your settings, you need to simply just look for the option that says Google Play Sign In. As you can see currently underneath this particular option, I have YouTube, X, Reddit, Discord and TikTok option. But in the settings, you will find the Google Play Sign In option too. If it shows red or disconnected, that means it isn't linked yet. So you need to simply tap on it. Then a pop-up will appear with a list of the Google accounts of yours. So you need to choose the account that you want to use for Clash Royale. You need to just make sure that it is the same account that you are going to be using because this is where all of your game's progress will be stored. So after selecting your account, which will be your Gmail account, it will be connected automatically. So once you go to the settings and take a look at the Google Play option, this time you will see connected. It means that it is basically connected successfully, and now you can use Clash Royale, and then you can basically log in with the help of Google Play in any of the devices that you use. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.